Welcome to this Veridical Ed Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into AI prompt engineering and generative AI tools. Welcome to Veridical Ed. Stop working harder. The 2026 to 2027 freelance market is completely owned by those who know how to command AI. If you are still writing basic prompts and getting average results, you are about to become obsolete. Stay locked in right here, because mastering advanced prompt engineering is the ultimate difference between making pennies and dominating global freelancing. That is the reality of the market we are stepping into right now. The days of casual conversational AI inputs, they're completely over. It's time to start treating generative AI like a highly capable subordinate that requires precise, expert-level direction.
So let's get into Section 1, the 2027 freelance shift. It's time to adapt or become obsolete. We are currently facing what I call the Great Freelance Divide. On one side, you've got basic prompting. You know the drill, typing in a quick question and just kind of accepting whatever generic output the AI spits out. Let's be real, this leads to obsolete workflows that pay absolute pennies. On the other side of this divide, we have advanced AI command. By actually integrating advanced generative frameworks, you aren't just saving a few minutes here and there, you are literally multiplying your hourly earning potential. You're going from being just another typical freelancer to a high-earning global market dominator.
Moving on to Section 2, core concepts of advanced prompting, or as I like to call it, your AI arsenal. All right, there are 4 distinct, highly tactical frameworks you absolutely must master here. We're talking system prompting, role-playing, few-shot prompting, and chain of thought. Upgrading from a casual user to a true AI commander means knowing exactly when and honestly how to deploy every single one of these. Let's break them down. First up is system prompting. Think of this as the foundational baseline for commanding your AI's behavior. Before you ask the AI to do a specific task, you have to establish the overarching rules. You're setting the operational context and the strict constraints that will govern everything the AI does moving forward. It's kind of like giving your AI a comprehensive employee handbook before it even starts its first day on the job. Without a rock-solid system prompt, the AI is just taking shots in the dark at the boundaries of your project. Next on the list, we have role-playing frameworks. By forcefully assigning a specific expert persona, like, say, telling it to act as a senior global career strategist, you instantly dictate the precise tone, the level of expertise, and the exact perspective of the output. It completely elevates the response from generic, boring filler to deeply authoritative content. It's a total game changer. Now, the crucial point when it comes to few-shot prompting is calibration. You don't just tell the AI what you want, you have to show it. By providing the AI with exact examples of your desired inputs and outputs, you're essentially performing on-the-spot training. Whether you're generating text, images, or even code, giving the model a few shots or examples ensures that the final execution matches your exact styling, structural, and formatting needs flawlessly. It literally takes the guesswork completely out of the equation. And finally, we arrive at the chain of thought methodology. When you're dealing with really complex deliverables, you simply cannot afford for the AI to hallucinate or start skipping steps, right? By commanding the AI to use a chain of thought, you force it to break down complex problems into transparent, highly logical, step-by-step reasoning sequences. You're basically asking the model to show its work, just like in grade school math. This yields incredibly logical, high-level code, pristine text, and highly accurate problem solving, all because the AI evaluates its own logic at every single step along the way. Okay. Let's jump to Section 3, automated step-by-step workflows. This is all about chaining prompts for full automation. Let's take a look at a highly effective real-world framework for seamless automation. You see, knowing the prompts is really only half the battle. Chaining them together is where the real magic happens. So, Step 1, deep research. You use a system and role-playing prompt to have the AI synthesize information as a master researcher. Then, Step 2, final draft generation. You take that research and feed it directly into a new prompt, utilizing those few-shot examples and chain of thought logic to craft the absolute perfect deliverable. And finally, Step 3, client deployment. You use AI to format, quality check, and prep the final asset for the client. You're chaining these prompts so that the output of one step naturally becomes the perfect input for the very next one. Moving right along to Section 4, case studies and efficiency multipliers. We're talking about scaling to enterprise levels. Now, when digital creators actually apply these exact workflows, we see a massive, undeniable shift in the data. An 80% reduction in client delivery time. Yes, you heard that right, 80%. By chaining prompts and utilizing these advanced frameworks, creators are slashing our production down to just 20% of what it used to take. I mean, think about it. That is time you can spend taking on more clients, upskilling, or honestly, just enjoying your life while your AI systems do all the heavy lifting for you. But hold on. Here is the absolute most important takeaway from all this data. This 80% time savings absolutely does not mean a sacrifice in quality. In fact, it's the exact opposite. Because you're using expert role-playing, strict system constraints, and that step-by-step chain of thought logic, you are actually scaling your output to pristine enterprise levels. You're delivering way faster, and you're delivering way better. And guys, that is the literal definition of dominating a market. All right, bringing us to Section 5, your actionable AI exercise. Time to execute immediately. So, we've covered the shifting market, before advanced frameworks, and the incredible time savings you can achieve. Now I am pivoting this directly to you. Because let's face it, information without execution is totally useless. So here is your clear step-by-step exercise to do right now. Number 1, open up your preferred generative AI tool. Number 2, write a foundational system prompt that sets incredibly strict rules for your task. Number 3, force the AI into an expert persona relevant to your specific niche. Number 4, give it 2 or 3 few-shot examples of the exact formatting you want to see. And number 5, command the AI to explain its reasoning step-by-step using chain-of-thought logic. Seriously, go test this out today. Watch how drastically the quality of your output transforms compared to firing off a basic prompt.
We've seen exactly what it takes to multiply your earning potential and operate at a true enterprise level. The tools are right there waiting for you. The entire playbook has just been laid out. The only thing left to answer is this. Are you ready to step up, leave basic prompting in the dust, and truly command AI in the 2027 global freelance market? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and build your automated empire.